Hello everybody, and welcome to the first video in a brand new series of tutorials for people who are creating their own WordPress site for the first time. So, you've heard that WordPress is a powerful system to create great looking websites without much coding knowledge. However, you're not entirely sure where to start. Maybe you've already downloaded all the files and directories. In this step-by-step video, we'll be looking at how to get WordPress onto your website as quickly as possible and with no fuss and complete peace of mind. No downloads and no file transferring required. I'm Ben from Coluga Digital. Let's get started. Before we begin, you'll need to have bought two things. One, a hosting package with a web hosting company, and two, a domain name. After you have bought these, you'll need to link the domain name servers to the hosting site. In this tutorial, I am assuming that you have already done this. If you're looking for a great place to get both services, I personally recommend ecowebhosting.co.uk. They're based in the UK, have a simple, clean and user-friendly panel layout, and they also have excellent and understandable documentation and support. I've gone ahead and bought myself a brand new domain name just for this tutorial series. Coluga Cards is a business that I would like to run one day, so I've gone ahead and nabbed the name before anyone else can. Once you've done all the prep, it's time to get WordPress set up on your site. First things first, you'll need to access the control panel or cPanel of your domain on your hosting site. At Eco Web Hosting, you can do this by clicking Manage Your Hosting Packages, like so, and then clicking on CP Login underneath your domain name, like this. Once you're in the cPanel, you'll want to install WordPress. Your cPanel may look slightly different if you're on another hosting site, but everything should be in about the same place. Most cPanels have a one-click install section, and Eco Web Hosting is no exception. Here you'll find a variety of tools you can install onto your site. Simply find the one that says WordPress and click on it. If you're having trouble finding it, it's almost certainly the only one that has a big W as its logo. You will then be taken to a screen that will look something like this once it's loaded. It will ask you to confirm the domain that you want to install WordPress onto, as well as the directory. Seeing as we're installing WordPress onto an entirely new and blank website, we are going to leave this directory blank. Don't be put off by the placeholder text you may see, just leave it alone. Otherwise, you may cause problems for yourself later on when trying to do more advanced things. After selecting the correct domain and leaving the directory blank, click Install WordPress. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to a new screen. We simply now click on the first link, like so, and that takes us to the installation page. Select your language, and I'm going to go with English UK, because as we all know, UK English is the best English, obviously. Once that's done, we can start typing in some details for the website and your account. So for the site title, I'm going to go with Coluga Cards. Once you've chosen your site title and username, you'll need to choose a password. Now, I strongly suggest you don't change this password, as it consists of 20 random characters, which makes it very difficult for people and automated programs to like to get in. Chances are it's far more secure than anything you'll come up with, so just leave it be. You'll need help remembering it, so store it somewhere securely. Then, put your email address in for admin purposes. So I'm going to go with my personal email address. Again, your personal email will do, since WordPress rarely sends out emails. Whenever there's an important update, it's usually displayed on the dashboard. Finally, we're going to leave the search engine visibility box unchecked, since you'll want the likes of Google and Bing to find your site. Submit your details by clicking Install WordPress once I have copied the password. And then you'll come to this screen where we click Login. Simply put in your username that you used and then paste your password in here and then click Login. Et voila! You will now be on the WordPress dashboard. Congratulations, you have just installed WordPress onto your site. Thank you all very much for watching. Please like this video if it's been useful to you and you've learned something new. Leave a comment down below if you want to ask about something that hasn't been covered in this video, or if you have anything to add to what's already been said here. Click the subscribe button for future WordPress videos and other tips and tricks. Finally, if you're looking for help getting your business found online, come visit us at www.colugadigital.com and see how we can use the power of digital marketing to transform your business. I've been Ben from Coluga Digital. See you next time.